don't think about your podcast as I'm speaking to 1,000 people. And so that means that I'm on a stage in front of 1,000 people. And that means I have to be this formal valedictorian and I need to hold back my own personality, but instead have that conversation with one person. You may or may not know that you're not the only listener that I have. I have you and I, you've listened to more than one episode. Maybe this is your first, but you've listened to more than one episode and you keep coming back and we keep having this conversation. And that's a wonderful thing. It makes me super duper happy. Remember, when I'm having a conversation with you, I think about you. It's you and me. I don't think that even though there's, I don't remember, 3,500 people that listen to this podcast, even though there's thousands, right? A small amount of thousands. I don't think about all of those other people. I just think about you. If I thought about all those other people, I would be embarrassed as heck. I would feel like I needed to impress people. I would rather just have a conversation with you. And those other people, if they know me, like me, then they can trust me. Those other people, hopefully, if I'm having a conversation with just you, it can resonate with him or her also. And that's the big thing. I learned it when I was with my mom. She and I went over all this, and I was impressed with my sister. And actually, I need to say that Brad Chandler, at the end, he was pulling on my heartstrings. He was having a conversation, a personal conversation. My mom, after 3 or 4 takes of me just saying, Mom, you're changing your personality. As soon as you get behind the mic, then it's a different person. And then she's like, okay, she's going to take that feedback, take that criticism, if you will, take that feedback and reapproach it. I want you to learn from these experiences so that you can just jump in, approach it from the very get-go, have that conversation with the one person, be yourself to the fullest so that people can know you deeply, understand you, and like you, and trust you. Know, like, trust, only going to happen when you're completely congruent and they feel the integrity where you are the same person in front of them or behind them. You're the same person with your spouse or with your listener. You're the same person with your best friend. You're having drinks with the girls or right there on your podcast, having a conversation with your listener. Not your listeners, but your listener.